StepUp learning one step at a time. Let's learn what multiplication really means. Two groups of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 times is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 groups of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. 2 3 times is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. 3 times is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. Look at these groups. 2 then 3 then 2. Are these equal groups? No. They are not the same size. For multiplication, every group must be equal. 4 groups of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 8. 2 4 times is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 2 times is 10. 5 times 2 is 10. 3 groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. 4 3 times is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. Great job! Multiplication is just equal groups. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.